Welcome to AssistEdge RPA Database Automation. In this video, we will be briefly seeing how AssistEdge RPA Automation Studio implements database automation. AssistEdge RPA comes with different adapters for connecting to different databases, such as Oracle, MySQL, Microsoft SQL Server, and connecting to Excel as a database. AssistEdge RPA provides Execute DB query activity to automate various database operations performed on these databases. Let's understand this in detail. Execute DB query activity needs an underlying database application to execute different types of queries such as select, insert on a database. Hence, to implement database automation, we need to initialize the database connection details using the application activity, execute database operations against the database using the execute DB query activity. Let's understand these two steps in the studio. In the application activity, select app type as database apps, and to further add a new database application, provide the database details such as type, name, port, server name, etc. Once the database application is added, the Execute DB query activity is added inside it. Execute DB query activity can execute either a query or a stored procedure. This activity has a field for providing the required query which has to be executed in the database. This activity automatically creates arguments for storing data like the result of the query, operation status, and the count of rows and columns. Once the query execution is successful, the result will be stored as a data table. The required data can be extracted from this data table. With the understanding of AssistEdge RPA database automation process, you can now easily automate the process of getting data from a database and adding it to an Excel file. Make sure to explore the demonstration videos.